Designing a user-centered product is not a single step, but a structured journey. In this walkthrough, we'll guide you through our 6-week process, starting with empathizing through research, followed by mapping insights and defining scope, then moving into ideation and user flows. From there, we bring ideas to life with wireframes, prototypes, and visual design, before moving into testing and feedback to refine the experience. Each stage builds upon the last, ensuring that by the end of 6 weeks, we've transformed initial ideas into a polished, functional, and meaningful product. Let's begin the journey. In first week, our approach revolves around 4 simple yet powerful questions: who, what, where, and why. By exploring these questions, we can uncover the root of the problem and clearly define the challenge ahead. We recommend applying this approach right at the very start of your campaign design, ensuring you begin with a sharp and well-grounded understanding of the issue you're aiming to solve. In week 2 stage of our process is empathize. At this stage, we step into the shoes of our users to truly understand their needs, motivations, and pain points. To achieve this, we combine qualitative research, such as interviews, observations, and open-ended conversations, with quantitative research, including surveys, usage data, and measurable insights. Together, these methods provide a well-rounded picture, balancing human stories with solid evidence. By empathizing in this way, we ensure our design decisions are grounded in real experiences, not assumptions. In week 3, we move deeper into the process by creating empathy maps, drafting a scope document, and developing the information architecture. The empathy map helps us visualize user emotions, thoughts, and behaviors, ensuring we keep their perspective at the center of our design. The scope document defines the project boundaries, goals, and deliverables, giving clarity to both the team and stakeholders. Finally, the information architecture organizes content and user flows, laying the foundation for intuitive navigation. Together, these steps transform research insights into a clear and structured plan for design. In week 4, we enter the ideation stage, where creativity takes the lead. Here, we generate a wide range of ideas to solve the challenges defined earlier. Alongside ideation, we design the user flow, mapping out each step a user will take inside the app to ensure the journey feels simple, logical, and engaging. We also analyze the user persona, diving into their goals, behaviors, and frustrations. This allows us to align our solutions with real user needs, creating experiences that are not only innovative but also deeply relevant and human-centered. In week 5, we bring ideas to life through wireframes, prototypes, visual design, and branding. Wireframes act as the blueprint of the app, focusing on structure and functionality without distractions. Prototypes make the experience interactive, allowing us to test flows and gather feedback early. Visual design adds the look and feel, turning basic layouts into engaging, user-friendly screens. Finally, branding gives the product its identity, through colors, typography, and style, building recognition and trust. Together, these steps transform concepts into a tangible, cohesive design ready for real-world validation. In week 6, we shift our focus to testing and feedback. This stage allows us to validate our design decisions by observing how real users interact with the product. Through usability testing, we uncover strengths, spot pain points, and identify areas for improvement. Gathering feedback ensures that the final solution isn't just visually appealing, but also practical, intuitive, and aligned with user needs. By refining the design based on these insights, we prepare the product for a stronger, more user-centered launch. From ideation to the final product, this process is a journey of transforming insights into impactful solutions. Every stage, whether it's empathizing with users, mapping flows, designing wireframes, or testing prototypes, plays a vital role in shaping a product that is both functional and meaningful. By combining creativity with research and design with feedback, we ensure the end result is not just an app, but a complete experience that connects with users, solves real problems, and stands strong as a well-crafted product. That brings us to the end of our 6-week design journey, from ideas to a finished product. We hope this walkthrough gave you valuable insights into our process. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and if you have any thoughts, questions, or feedback, feel free to share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep designing with purpose.